Hi everyone, my name is Robin Lewis and welcome to another episode of Cool Tool Tuesday. If you're the type of person who likes looking at small objects, but you've become frustrated by your weak, puny human eyes, then I might have an answer for you. By eye gauging, this is a hands-free 4x magnifying glass. So the magnifying glass at the top, it is a 4x zoom, the main glass, and then nestled within that is this smaller 8x zoom magnifying glass. That's all attached to this flexible arm, so you can bend this and move this into different orientations. At the bottom is this rare earth magnet. It's a really strong magnet, and this is used to attach it to this plate like so, and then with this flexible arm you can angle it in any direction. You can also attach this magnet to anywhere in the shop, anywhere that there's metal in the shop. You could essentially stick it onto that. As I alluded to earlier, there's a space at the bottom for some AA batteries, 3 of them to be precise. So once you've popped those in, you hit a little button on the side, and then you have a ring of LED lights which can be used to light up whatever you're looking at. So sticking it back onto the plate, I'll fold that over, and now when I look through the magnifying glass, whatever I'm looking at is illuminated. So if you're interested in this product and want to find out more, there'll be a link in the description down below. There'll also be a link to TimberCon's website where you can find out all about their latest products. If you're interested in these types of videos and you want to see more cool tools coming out on a Tuesday, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. So once again, my name is Robin Lewis. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys have a good day.